Court is calling 2022 CR 6188, State of Texas versus Kevin Giovanni Luna. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense. Are you Mr. Luna? Did you understand the state is proceeding on the
Right,
lesson?
here's a twist. He's not on trial for capital murder anymore. The state is dropping into a lesser included charge. Straight up murder. Still brutal. Punishment range is 5 years to life. That's like spinning the sentencing roulette wheel.
On the lesser included offense of murder. Range of punishment for that offense is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of murder. Punishment is to be assessed at 40 years in the prison. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. There are no applications, and they're taking in consideration 2023 CR 1287. Did you understand that to be the plea? Right. Then to the offense of murder, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State exhibit number 1 with all of its attachments, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection.
Defense, any evidence?
Your Honor, we offer defense exhibit number 1, a 25-page report by John Fabian, sharing it to Mr. Barahan. He has no objections. Conclusion of Dr. Fabian's report states that Mr. Luna has a.
I'll get to that. So I just want to read to see for sufficiency. So there's no objection to defense exhibit number 1?
Correct. No objection.
All right. Then the court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Defense exhibit 1. The court will find that defendant has. I'm so sorry. Mr. Luna, did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand that?
Notice the defense bringing in a psychologist. Classic mitigation move. If they can show mental illness or brain disorder, it doesn't excuse murder, but it could sway how the court views punishment and treatment.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Are you proceeding with sentencing? All right. Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Dr. John Fabian, the conclusion of his report, Mr. Luna was suffers from diagnosis of brain disorder, mental illness, and incest. And his recommendations to replace the therapeutic unit at TSC, and we would ask the court to receive that in the file and the court would make recommendations to the same.
All right. Is there anything you wish to say, Mr. Luna? All right. The court will follow the agreement, sentence you to 40 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served, take in consideration 2023 CR 1287. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
Not for the record.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? All right. Because this is a plea bargain agreement and because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right. And the court will also request the therapeutic community or mental health community at the prison. The way that works, I have no jurisdiction to force them to place you in that. You'll have to request it as well. And then it'll be
40 years locked in. He's just 20 years old, which means even after 4 decades, he could walk free in his 60s. But think about it. What kind of life is left to rebuild after spending your prime years behind bars?
and then it'll be completely up to TDC whether or not they do that. Do you understand? All right. We can go off the record. Mr. Lennon, I always tell people any time that people serve is a lot of time, even a day. That's a lot of time. And with you, it's 40 years. How old are you? You're 20. And so you will still have a chance when you are released to live your life. All right. But there's somebody who's dead and their life is over. You understand? So you need to take advantage of whatever they have at the prison that's available for you to better yourself. And you need to go to prison and not become institutionalized. Do you understand? All right. Is there any victim impact?
There's two shortly this year.
All right. So what's going to happen next is there are going to be two people to speak to you, and they are related to the victim in this case, and they are probably going to.
The judge's words cut deep. Someone's life is over. This is a human reminder that legal deals, exhibits, and reports can't erase. Somebody's gone forever. Do you think 40 years balances that loss?